Hello, friends. There is something happening right now at cash machines, and the people it is happening to are not naive. They are not careless, and most of them had no idea it was coming until it was already over. Picture this. You walk up to your cash machine on a Tuesday afternoon. You insert your card. The transaction completes. No cash comes by the time you get home within the hour. Your account has, a polite, professional voice on the phone tells you they know your name, your bank, enough to sound complete. Within 60 seconds, every pound you transferred is gone permanently, with no mechanism to get it back. Or this. You hand your phone. By the time they return it, someone else has been added as a trusted contact on your account. You will not find out for weeks. These are the specific patterns that in UK finance, the banking industry's official trade body, they have formally documented in 2026. They have issued official guidance on 5 practices that are enabling these losses. Practices that many pensioners carry out every single week without knowing the risk. One of these 5 involves a machine you may walk past in your local newsagent or petrol station. The FCA has confirmed something about that machine that almost no one knows. When we get there, it will change how you look at it permanently. Quick note before we get into this. This video is for UK pensioners, anyone who uses a cash point, a bank branch, or the goal is to help you recognize 5 practices that the FCA and UK find so you can protect yourself. I will also name the Financial Ombudsman Service, the independent body that handles complaints about banks in this country. When we reach what to do if something goes wrong. Everything here comes from those public. This is educational content only. It is not personalized, financial, or legal, and there is no promise of any specific reimbursement or protection outcome. If you have a specific concern, contact your bank on the number Consult a Professional. We are counting down 5 things the FCA, starting at 5. Then 3. 1. According to UK Finance, the banking industry's official trade body, criminals stole £1.28 billion through payment fraud in the United Kingdom. 8 people were defrauded every minute. Before we begin, if someone comes to mind, a parent who uses the cash machine alone, a neighbor whose branch closed, a friend who mentioned an odd phone call, send this to them before the end. The item at number 2 is the one I would most want someone I cared about to see first. Number 5, allowing your card to leave your hands at the cash machine. UK police, including forces that have seized skimming devices from cash machines in recent years, warn about 2 devices that operate at cash points. The first is the card trap, fitted inside the card slot, which reads your card data silently. The second is called a shimmer, inserted directly inside the reader to intercept chip data. You cannot see it from. The only sign may be slight resistance when your card goes in. When a shimmer is in place, your card data is copied in seconds. The cash trap variation also captures the banknotes before they reach you. The machine confirms the transaction is complete. Nothing comes out. You assume a malfunction and walk away. Your card does not leave your hands, not to a stranger offering to help, not to anyone outside a secured. 3 seconds is enough for certain devices to copy card data. If cash does not come out after a successful transaction, stay at the machine and ring the number on the back of your card immediately from that location. That number works whether or not there is a branch nearby. Number 3, failing to shield your PIN every single time. Even UK police forces have documented cases where cameras disguised as fixtures near when a shimmer captures your card data. The combination with your PIN is what makes shielding the keypad with your other hand every single time, removes 1/2 of what a criminal needs. When a bank employee assists you, they are required by bank policy to look away when you enter your PIN. If they do not, you are entitled to say directly, "Please turn away." That is standard bank protocol, and you are within your rights to ask for it. Number 1. Handing your phone to a bank employee or stranger inside the branch. According to UK banking guidance and documented fraud cases, someone with an open banking application on a phone can, within transfer funds, add their own device as a trusted contact, or install remote access software that gives ongoing control of your account. Bank employees help by explaining what to do. You enter the information yourself. Your phone stays in your hands. If anyone insists on holding your phone, for those using telephone banking without a nearby branch, your bank will never ask for your full PIN or password over the phone. Number 4. Signing paperwork inside the branch without reading it fully. UK Finance formally advises customers that they are never required to sign anything. The detail is in the small print automatic credit limit increases. Consent to share your data. Enrollment in fee-based services you did not. If you are handed paperwork and someone is hurrying you along, that's I need a moment to read through this. If they push back on that, ask if a charge appears on your statement that you did not authorize. The independent body that handles complaints about banks in this country takes these cases free of charge. In the last full financial year, fraud and scams accounted for over 18,000 current account complaints brought to. Dorothy is an illustrative composite representing a pattern the Financial Conduct Authority. She is 68. A retired post office worker from a village in her nearest bank branch closed 18 months ago. One afternoon, she received a phone call from someone identifying themselves as her bank's fraud calm professional, knowing her name and her bank. They told her that her savings were at immediate risk and that the only way to protect them was to a cryptocurrency ATM in a convenience shop. Dorothy withdrew $600. She fed it into the machine. Her daughter rang her on the walk home. Within an hour, the bank confirmed the money was gone, permanently and irreversibly transferred the moment she pressed confirm. Number 2, the most important item in this video. The Financial Conduct Authority has confirmed that there are currently no legally registered. Every cryptocurrency kiosk you see in a newsagent. The FCA has been taking enforcement action for several years, seizing machines, bringing the first criminal prosecution against someone running an illegal network of these devices. In July 2025, the FCA and the Metropolitan Police, the FCA's own words, if you are using a cryptocurrency ATM, you are handing your money directly to criminals. The scheme works this way. Someone contacts you by phone, text, or your bank's fraud department, or the police. They tell you to withdraw cash and deposit it into a cryptocurrency machine to protect your money. The moment you do, it is gone permanently. And your bank's genuine fraud team will never instruct you to do this. End the contact immediately and ring your bank on the number on the back of your card. One further point. If you receive a suspicious call and then wait at least 5 minutes first. Some fraudsters hold the phone line open. When you pick up again, you may still be connected to the same criminal. A different device, or a 5-minute pause, closes that. 5. Your card never leaves your hands at the cash point. If cash does not come out after a successful transaction, stay and ring the number on the back of your card. 4. Never sign paperwork without reading it. If pressured, a charge you did not authorize, the Financial Ombudsman Service handles these. 3. Shield your PIN every single time. Ask any employee to turn away. That is your right and their policy. 2. Your phone stays in your hands inside. You enter your own information. Anyone insisting, ask for the branch manager. 1. There are no legal cryptocurrency ATMs in the United Kingdom. The Financial Conduct Authority has confirmed this. Anyone instructing you to end the contact and ring your bank immediately. 3. Check any firm handling your money against the Financial Conduct Authority's public register. 2. If you believe you have been defrauded, contact your bank immediately on the Then report to Action Fraud, the UK's National Reporting Centre for Fraud and Cybercrime, listed on the UK government's official website. 1. If you are withdrawing a significant sum or signing a financial agreement, speak to someone who knows your circumstances, a family member, a citizen's advice advisor, or a licensed professional. Think right now about who in your life uses a cash machine alone. Think about whether they have ever mentioned a suspicious call, or whether they walk past a cryptocurrency kiosk in their local shop without knowing it is. If someone came to mind just now, this video is for them. You can share it directly from this screen, not because they are vulnerable, but because the FCA has confirmed something about that machine that most people have, and one share might be the thing that stops it from happening to someone you care about. If you have already been affected by bank fraud and your bank is not reimbursing you, there is a specific process through the Financial Ombudsman Service that most people do. That is the next video. Subscribe so you do not miss it.